Communities and resources. Build on what you know. What are clothes you wear made of? Your shirt or pants might be made of cotton. Cotton is one of many things from nature that people use. Natural resources. When you play outside, the sun warms you and the air around you. Air is part of your environment. The environment is the water, soil, air, and living things around you. Plants are part of the environment. The fresh water in lakes and rivers is part of the environment too. Plants and fresh water are natural resources. Natural resources are things found in nature that are useful to people. People use natural resources every day. Natural resources. A farmer uses a tractor to gather crops from the land. Three kinds of resources. Some natural resources are renewable. Renewable resources are resources that can be replaced. The vegetables you eat are renewable resources that grow from seeds. Farmers use seeds to plant new fields of vegetables. Other natural resources are non-renewable. Non-renewable resources cannot be replaced. Oil is an example. People drill wells to get oil from the earth. They use oil for things such as fuel for their cars. Once used, oil is gone forever. A third kind of natural resources is a flow resource. Sun and wind are examples. Flow resources are renewable, but they cannot be used all the time. People can only use them when they happen. When there is no wind, people can't use it. Renewable wheat for cereal is a renewable resource. Non-renewable gasoline can be used only once. Flow. Wind power makes the electricity for this lamp. Communities use resources. Communities use their resources in different ways. Miami, Florida has warm beaches and a sunny climate. These are two natural resources that draw many people to Miami. People often live where there are natural resources they can use. When people use natural resources, they change the environment. The state of California built the Oroville Dam to block the water of the Feather River and make a large lake. People use water from the lake to make electricity. They also use it for drinking and to water their crops. However, the new lake destroyed places where river fish and wildlife lived. When people decided to change the environment, they must also think about the effects of the changes. Conserving natural resources. Many of the resources people depend on are non-renewable. If they are used carelessly, they will run out quickly. However, people can use non-renewable resources wisely. Communities can conserve or save non-renewable resources too. One way to do that is to recycle. Recycling means reusing things that have been thrown away. Can you think of something that you can recycle today? In this lesson, you have learned that people depend on natural resources. Some natural resources can be replaced, but others cannot. People often live near natural resources they can use. When people use resources wisely, they help to conserve them.